Before you can start using CertMS, you'll have to obtain a copy of the image. If you are a current CertMS customer, you can contact support directly at support@certms.com to provide you with the latest copy of the CertMS image for your hypervisor of choice. Currently, there are pre-built images for both VMware and Hyper-V, but we can make a custom image for almost any hypervisor you want to use. If you are not a current CertMS customer and would like to try a CertMS free trial for 30 days, you can fill out the form on the CertMS website to obtain a copy of the image. Just go to certms.com and then click the Try Out CertMS link in the top right-hand corner. Fill out the form on the website and click Submit, and then you will be able to obtain your demo copy. Once you have your demo copy, we can get it installed in your hypervisor. In this video, we're going to be installing it on VMware. So we're going to assume at this point that you've obtained your copy of the VMware software, the VMware demo CertMS, and we're going to go into our lab VMware, our ESXi host that we have set up here. And we're going to choose Create/Register VM. And we're going to click Deploy a virtual machine from an OVF. Now I have this OVF file from the image that we got from support as a zip file. So what we're going to do is we're going to just go ahead and extract our guy here. And you can see once we've extracted it, we have all the files needed for our template. So we're going to just minimize this, and we're going to deploy through an OVF or OVA. We'll do Next. And we're going to give this a name. We're going to call this CertMS Demo. And we're going to copy all our files, and we're just going to drag them, all 3 files, over here. All 2 files. And then we're going to go ahead and click Next. Choose where we want to store this. In this case, I think we're going to store it on storage 1 because I plan to storage. This is going to be specific to your environment. Next. And then we can choose where we want to put it and some other information about the deployment. In this, I have a specific network set up for CertMS, for our CertMS lab. So we're going to do CertMS lab. Provisioning in this case is going to be thin. We want to automatically start it. And then we're going to go ahead and click Finish. And we're going to let that guy deploy. Okay, now that it's deployed, we should be able to select it. And we're going to go in and look, and we can just go ahead and watch this guy come up. And now that we can see, CertMS is up, and the image itself, or the VM itself, is now ready to go. In the next video, we're going to do the same install, but we're going to do it on Hyper-V, and then we're going to get into actually doing the initial configuration via the web and the command line.